And really those are the first three that we're going to talk about. And that is kind of planting your flag. We call it planting your flag because you have to be solving a problem uniquely, different than anybody else. And the reason that this second part here, why we do it uniquely, is important is because there's this thing called mind share that gets occupied. And once it's occupied, you can't move somebody off that. And here's an example. This is participation. What toothpaste fights cavities? Right? Colgate. Colgate surveyed fights cavities. What does Crest do? What does Aquafresh do? So how many here use Aquafresh? Okay, I'm the only one. I like fresh breath, but I really don't brush with Aquafresh because I'm thinking to myself, fresher breath. I'm doing it because it was cheaper the day I bought it than Colgate or Crest, and it has the same fluoride content as the other two. But why is it that Aquafresh spends all of its advertising dollars telling you that it is fresher breath?
It's different.
Not the tagline, but you're getting at it because the mind share for cavity prevention is owned by Colgate. And here's an example of why that's important for you as a business owner. If somebody owns a space that you want to go into, do not go into the space the same way they own it.